What does process do in Godot? Process is your main tool for updating and programmatically animating nodes in Godot. Let's look at an example. Here I have a simple platformer. You can move around and you can jump. Now, what if I wanted to programmatically animate the character? Say, for example, I want the character's sprite to rotate at a constant speed. The easiest way to do this is by using process. I'll go into the script attached to the icon, and I'll add the function process. You'll notice process takes in a parameter called delta. Now, delta is the time elapsed since the last process frame was run. Process tries to run as quickly as it can. If you have a really fast computer, process may be running 60 frames per second or more. If you have a slower computer, process may be running 30 frames per second. Delta is a measure of the time between the last frame and the current frame. So say you're getting around 10 frames per second. Delta would be equal to 1/10. Now say you're getting 30 frames per second. Delta would be equal to around 1/30th. If we simply put into this function rotate by 5 degrees, the character would rotate much faster on a frame getting 60 frames per second compared to a frame getting 10 frames per second. So that's why, instead of rotating a constant speed, we rotate by delta. Now when we run the game, no matter what my frame rate is, the character is going to move at the same speed.